Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is TC, or Leticia, but TC for short. Yeah, so I am giving a shot at MakeupShayla's Proceed with Caution line. I have had this promo package for almost 2 months, like a month and a half, and I just haven't had a chance to play around with it. But today I am. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then continue watching. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Let's get started. So I did purchase this Proceed with Caution package from Colourpop, their collaboration with MakeupShayla. So first I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm using the Milani brow dip. It's like a little pomade with the brush that comes along with it. I'm just basically filling in my eyebrows and making sure that they are even. Now I'm just taking this Maybeline Fit Me Concealer in the color medium, I believe, and I am just cleaning up what I filled in. Now I'm basically kind of just priming my eyelids with that same concealer or using it as a base. And now I'm taking my Morphe blending sponge and I am blending that out. Now I am using this Proceed with Caution palette and I'm taking that brown color and I'm just basically using that as my transition color. Okay, now I'm going in with that maroonish color and I'm going to use that on the outer corners and I'm kind of going to drag that into my crease. Just to add a little depth to the eye look. I'm basically kind of doing like a very simple look with just a little sass to it. Okay, now I'm going in with that yellow color and I am just using that to fill in the rest of my eyelid. And I'm sorry, it looks like my camera focused in on the mirror instead of focusing in on me. So that's something that I'll fix next time. Okay, now I'm using it's like my little highlight to brighten up the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm just taking that blending brush. I didn't put any extra product on it. I'm just going through to make sure everything is blending. So you're going to see me blending and then probably going back to reapply. But I haven't used any extra. Now I'm using my Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And And I'm adding this Nars. It's a bit of a darker color just to kind of warm it up a little bit. It is the summertime, so my color has gotten a little darker. Okay, I'm using my Tarte concealer to highlight. And I'm using my Real Techniques blending sponge to blend that all in. It is damp. Okay, I'm using my LA Color Girl concealer to contour. And I'm using this Real Technique buffing brush to blend it in. I think I got this brush from Target, the contour brush. It might be an e.l.f. brush, I am not sure. Okay, my banana powder is gone, and I tried to scrape whatever I had left. And so that's what I'm using to set my under eye concealer. So since I didn't have much left, I went into my Nars contour palette, and I just used that little highlight or setting powder that they had in there. I used that to set the rest of my face. That palette right there. And then I'm just taking that brown color and I am contouring, setting my contour. So I did notice that on that side, the left side, a lot was on my brush. So I'm just going through kind of blending that out. And now I'm using my Fit Me powder to kind of pull it all together and make sure everything, I'm setting my whole face. And I'm going back in with that maroonish color, and I am just going to smoke out under my eyes. And I'm using my Becca highlight in Opal. Okay, I'm going in with the blush that came in the package, and I'm using the lip pencil and the liquid lipstick also. I'll have the names listed down below. I want to say this is BFF3. Okay, now I'm setting my face with this setting spray, and here we are with the finished look. That spray was the Olay regenerating spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up.